Hey guys, good day. So ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng ating dish rack na bili natin sa TikTok. So lagay natin dyan sa magulo nating kusina. Ayan, so umuulan na. So dahil natin lagay guys para ma-organize yung kitchen natin. So tara, samahan nyo akong mag-unbox guys.
Just to get to wherever after. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? Back like it's yesterday. Would it almost end? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? I did it all. I pulled the weight on my shoulders like it was fate. Don't tell me it was for nothing. You told me love wasn't true 'cause it didn't feel real to a cynic like you. But I'm pretty sure we walked into something. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? Back like it's yesterday. Would it almost end? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Another time around the block. I loved you around the clock. Break of dawn, might as well be midnight. Talking on the dock. Everyone around us knows. They say we're soulmates and it shows. So I wanna see where this could go. This could go. Break the news to everyone. The long time wait is finally done. I wasn't hanging around for fun.
Ayun guys, tapos na natin na-assemble yung ating bagong dish rack. So ngayon ay ilalagay natin siya dito. Tignan natin kung okay ba. Tingnan natin. Guys, susurusin na natin. Ito, ibabukan natin dito. Ito, meron pa kasing solution na ito sa karunera. Ito. Ito. Tapos, ito tara. Ano yun siya? Tapos, ito na. Tapos, ito. Yan guys. Ito na natin. Kita ko mga tornilyo. Yan guys, salamat. So yan na yung finish niya guys. Finish install. So yan na siya. Ito yung cover. Ayan. So nilagyan ko siya ng ano guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng tray kasi pangit yung parang ano niya. Ayan, medyo malalaki. Hindi tumatayo yung mga basong ganito. Pang mug lang siya. So ayan, nilagyan ko ng solusyon. Yan. Okay naman. Aesthetic naman. Kulang na lang sa ayos tong kitchen ko. So yun lamang guys. Maraming salamat.